Good evening, children. Children, how are you all? Yes, good evening. Am I audible to you? Yes, children. Okay, children. Today we are going to revise. You know, tomorrow you have got an assignment of EVS subject, right? So we will revise our lesson number 3, animal shelters. Okay. I'm going to share my screen with you and I'll be asking you some questions. Okay. Children, I'm going to share my screen with you now. Okay, children? Good evening, children. Animal shelter. Today we'll revise lesson number 3, subject EVS, animal shelter, revision. EVS lesson number 3, animal shelters. Children, you know what do you mean by shelter? Yes, a place to live in. We need shelter. Yes, we have a house to live in, right? Same way, some animals build shelter for themselves. Some get ready-made shelters. Now we'll see in detail the shelter of animals. Okay? Children, now let's see here. What are our basic needs? Yes. What do we need? What are our basic needs of a man? Yes. Food, clothing, and shelter. A house to live in, right? Because you know, house protects us. Yes. Today we shall learn about shelter. In other words, is called a home or house or a place where we live in. Now, children, it is not only that human beings need a home to live in. Yes, we need a house to live in. Yes, you can see. You need a shelter to live in. You want to be calm, peace. Yes, you feel fresh. So you want a house to live in, right? Even the birds and animals need a house to live in. When we are tired after a work, we want to rest. And a safe place for us is a home or a shelter we need, right? But before we shall start with animal shelter, let us first know why every living beings need a shelter or a home. Yes, we need a house to live in because home protects us from, you can see, it protects us from sun, it protects us from rain and stormy weather. Yes, a shelter protects us from rain, sun and stormy weather. We can store our belongings, our things, you know, our things like your your all your belongings you can store properly in your house because it will protect us from sun, rain, from thieves, robbers and wild animals. Okay, a house protects us from sun, rain, stormy weather and from robbers and wild animals. After the hard day's work, yes, your parents may be going to office, working hard, then you also may be going to play in the playground, or you may be going to school. Yes, each one of us like to go back to our house or home after we have completed our work. Yes, when you are in school, you miss your home. You ask your teacher, Mama, miss, when we'll go home? You miss your home. Home is the safest place for all human beings. Yes. Now, you know, children, today we shall study about shelter of animals or home of animals. Now, look at the screen and tell me. Yes, now you can tell me. Yes, here, for whom is the cat waiting? Yes, children, you can see. For whom is the cat waiting? Yes, cat is waiting to catch the mouse. Yes, for whom the cat is waiting? To catch the mouse and eat it. And children, can you tell me where is the mouse? Yes, the mouse is hiding inside a hole. Here you can see now, you know, where's the mouse? Inside a hole. Here we can see a crow. Yes. Where's the crow sitting? The crow is sitting on a branch of the tree in his nest. He has made a nest. Yes, to keep its eggs. Now we know why do crow build a nest? To lay eggs. It is the home. Here the crow is frightened of the cat. Yes, why? Because crow thinks that cat may eat away the eggs from its nest. Okay, children, now tell me, I'll ask you some questions and I'll give you answers also. What things do birds use to build their nest? Children, you might have seen the nest of the birds. Yes. What all things they need? As you know, when we build a house, we need cement. What else we need? Bricks. Yes. We need water, right? So for making, and you need different, many more things. You might have seen the bird's nest also. So now tell me, what do birds needs to build a nest? You might say, what all things are needed? You can understand that. Now birds use grass. You know grass. They use grass, straw, twigs, dry grass leaves to build their nest. Yes. Now, which animals live in burrows? You know, in holes, burrows. Which animals, you know, children? Think you might have learned rabbits, moles, then gophers, kangaroos, and mice live in burrows. Which animals? Rabbits, moles, gophers, kangaroos, and mice live in burrows. Okay, children. Now, where do the hens we keep live? And who builds their shelters? Yes, you know hens, you see. Yes, mostly we see hens. Yes, hens and chicken live in coops. Their home is called a coop. And who make the shelter? Who build the shelter for them? People make shelter for them. Children, now tell me, why do we need a house? Yes, we need a house to live in. So we are protected from rain, scorching sun, cold, and stormy weather. House also protects us from robbers and wild animals. Children, why do we need a house? Yes, repeat. We need a house to live in. So we are protected from rain, scorching sun, cold, and stormy weather. House also protects us from thieves, robbers, and wild animals. Now, children, you know why do we need a house? Yes. Yes, think we need a house to live in. Okay. So we are protected from rain, scorching sun, cold and stormy weather. And house also protects us from robbers and wild animals. Okay, children. Now let us see the term shelter. It's a new term, shelter. Shelter. What's shelter? You should know this answer. What is shelter, children? A safe place where one is protected from any danger. A place where one is protected from the sun, rain, wind, etc. Repeat, children. What is shelter? A new term. A safe place where one is protected from any danger. A place where one is protected from the sun, rain, wind, etc. Yes. Now, children, we'll see some animals build shelter for themselves. You know birds. Have you seen birds, children? Have you seen it? Yes. Nests are shelter or homes of birds. You can see this nest. You can see, yes, the birds build. Birds are afraid of animals. What is there in the nest, children? What you can see, white color? Yes, the eggs. Yes. So they need a safe place to lay their eggs. Who? Birds. Nest are birds' home. As we have a house to live in, birds have nest. Bird's home is called a nest. And we are safe and comfortable at home, right? Same way, birds to feel safe in their nest. Baby birds come out of the eggs. You can see. You can see small baby birds come out of the eggs. There are some animals that eat these eggs. We saw, you know, we saw cat. Yes. How the crow was afraid of the cat. You saw, children. So now we know this. Some animals are afraid that some animals eat the eggs of the birds. So these birds are afraid. So this young baby bird's nest keep the young birds safe. So birds build nests. The young baby birds are very weak. You know, they are very tiny, very small, and they are very weak to protect themselves. So they build nest. Yes. Birds use, you know, what things I told you, what they use. We can see straw, twigs, grass. Yes, birds use dry leaves to build nest. Yes, these all things birds needs to build their nest. Yes, they also need cotton, wool, and pieces of threads. You know, pieces of thread, cotton, white color cotton, wool. You know, wool, I've shown you, we make sweaters, it is soft. These all things birds use to make their nest soft. Yes, and soft. It also keeps the nest warm so that the young ones are protected. But all birds' nests are not same. Different birds build different kind of nest. Okay. Now we see this is which bird, you know, a weaver bird, right? Yes, this is a weaver bird. Bird choose convenient or safe place to build nest. The place should be safe for them where they build their nest. So it builds its nest by a male bird. This nest is built by a male bird. It takes about how many days? 7 days to weave the nest. The weaver bird chooses a thorny tree. You can see what type of tree the weaver bird uses. Thorny tree, which has some branches. You can see some branches hanging over water. You can see how the branches are hanging over water. It builds its nest on the tree top branches, on the top, on the highest branches, because weaver bird builds its nest on this branches. Why? You know, children, animals that eat eggs, you know, the animals which come nearby the bird's nest to eat its eggs, find it difficult to reach this nest. Why? They find it difficult to reach the nest because it is on the topmost branches. Understood? So these animals cannot reach the nest. So weaver birds uses thorny, which tree? Thorny branches. Yes, thorny trees, and it builds on the highest of its branches. Children, now we'll see other bird. Yes. Can you recognize the bird? Remember? Yes, we are revising, children. You should understand. Yes, remember which bird? Tailor bird. Yes. The tailor bird is smaller than a sparrow. It's looking similar to sparrow, but it is smaller than a sparrow. There's difference. Yes. Children, you might have seen a sparrow. Yes, this tailor bird builds his nest using bigger leaves. You can see how it's stitching its nest. You can see it. It stitches the nest leaf together. It uses a fine tendril, fine thread-like substance. You can see the nest of this bird is very small. Yes, you can see how it keeps its young one in the nest. You can see, children, but it is big enough for small little tailor bird. but it is enough for this tailor bird. The tailor bird can survive in this nest. Okay. Children, can you tell me which insect is this? Yes, it's a honeybee. Yes, you know honeybee? What honey we get from honey? Yes, what does honeybee give us? Honey. Yes, we'll see the house of honeybee. Yes, this is the honeybee. Honeybee builds their honeycomb. You can see this is the honeycomb. Yes, where it is on the trees or under the roof of the overhanging cliffs. You can see. Yes, the home of honeybees. Honeybee is called a honeycomb. Yes, the home of honeybee is called a honeycomb. Children, now you saw this bird. Some birds build their nest for themselves. Now we'll see other animals. You can see rat and mice live under the ground in fields. Where do they live? Rat and mice live under the ground in the fields. They dig holes in it, in the soil, and make holes and burrows to live. Yes, the houses, holes and burrows, right? You can see rat and mice also live in areas where people live, and they make holes in the walls or under the roofs. You can see, children. Why do they live in that areas? Because they can get their food and water easily in that area. Yes, they don't have to search for it because we drop some of the foodstuffs and water, so they can get it easily, right? So they live in the areas where people live. Yes, they make holes in the walls or under the floors. You can say they make holes and stay there. They mostly take shelter in mud houses. Yes, you know mud houses made of mud. Yes, kacha houses. They take shelter in that, but not built with cement. They don't shelter, they mostly take shelter in mud houses and not those built with cement. Now, children, we'll see these animals you have made shelter for themselves. But now we'll see some animals that find ready shelters in their surrounding. They find ready shelters in the surrounding. They don't have to take efforts. They don't have to work hard to make shelters, to build shelter for themselves. But some animals make use of birds. Different type of birds make different type of nets. Now we'll see animals that find ready shelters in their surroundings. Let's see. See pigeon. Some animals do not make shelters. They live in a ready shelters. These animals do not work hard. It builds a house or shelter. They simply look around them to find a safe place to live in. They just want to live in a safe place. Some doves and pigeons live in forest. Some in small hollow in high cliffs, on the top of the high cliffs. Some doves and pigeons live in forest. Yes, or hollow in the high cliffs, you can see. Some live near our houses. When we go to some places, we see a lot of pigeons. Yes, they find shelter in gaps in walls. Yes, you can see children how they find the shelter in the gaps in the walls. Yes. Children, here you can see which animals you can see. Tiger, hyena, leopard, right? Yes. Can you tell me where they live? Yes. Tigers, leopard, hyenas live in caves. Where they live, their home is caves. They do not build shelters to live. They find ready shelters. They find ready shelters. Children, which is this animal? You can see bats. Bats are not birds. They look like, but they're not birds, but they are only mammals. Mammals that can fly. Bats live in tall trees or caverns in caves. Okay. Near a dark, large caves in mountains. Yes, but some live in dark caverns in mountains. Or they look for shelter in old, deserted, tumble down buildings. Yes, buildings which are vacant and very old. Children, do you know? It is believed that a cobra lives in an anthill. You know, cobra lives in an anthill, but that is not true. Yes, you know, it is not true, but anthills are made by who make anthills? Yes, children, anthills are built by ants. Pahuma and anthills are built by ants, not by a cobra. A cobra lives in a hole. The home of cobra is a hole. Home of ant is anthills. Yes, home of ant is anthills. Now we'll see shelter for domestic animals. Now, you know, as domestic animals, which are domestic animals? Yes, we keep them at home. When people keep animals, they build shelter for them. We keep at them for our uses, for our purpose. You know, when we keep animals, we have to make house for them. We have to build shelter for them so they are safe, right? Now, children, tell me, where does a cow live? Yes. Yes, which is this? No, this is shelter of a chicken, right? Hen, right? The shelter built for hen is called chicken coop or hen house. Yes, this is a shelter built for hen. Is called a chicken coop or hen house. Now you see, who shelters the children? Where do cows live? Yes, children, tell me. Cows live in cow shed. Where do cows live? Cows live in cow shed. A cow shed is built for cows. The place where cows live is called a cow shed. What is a place where cows live? A cow shed is built for cows. Now, children, here we can see the shelter of a horse. Yes, the shelter for a horse is called stable. What is the shelter for a horse called? A stable. Spelling of stable, you should know. S-T-A-B-L-E, stable. Okay, children. These are some of the animals who shelter man makes. Okay. Now, people keep these animals and make shelter for them. Yes. We keep these animals, you know, in villages, in your farm, you can see these animals you keep. And you also make the house for them. Hens live in coop. Where do hens live? In a coop. Where do cows live? In a cow shed. Yes. Where do horses live? In a stable. Where do horses live? In a stable. Where do dogs live? Dogs live in a kennel. Okay, children? Tell me, children, what we have learned? Yes. Yes, animals, what we have learned, animals need a shelter to protect themselves from the cold, wind, sun, and rain. Yes, because they are protected from cold, sun, and rain and wind. And yes, and they live in it. Why they need shelter? Because it protects them from the hot sun, dusty winds, cold, and rain. Some animals build their own shelter. We saw some animals like birds, mice, rats, honeybees. Yes, they make their own shelters and they live in them. Some animals look for ready shelter in their surrounding. Which animals look for ready shelters in the surrounding? You saw pigeon, yes, tigers, leopards, hyenas, bats live in ready shelters. Yes, tigers live in, yes, children, caves, yes. Now we build shelter for the animals we keep. Yes, we make shelter for the animals. Which animal shelter we make, children? You know, we saw just now. We keep in our farm. Yes, or in a house like hens, cows, horse, dogs. Okay, children. Now let's revise. You know, we should know properly everything. Now fill in the blanks. The nest of birds are not all. What will be the blank? Alike. It's marked here. What will be the spelling? The A-L-I-K-E, alike. The nest of all birds are not all alike. Okay. Second, the tailor bird is smaller than a sparrow. Which bird is smaller than a sparrow? Tailor bird. Which bird? Tailor bird, I showed you. It looks similar to the sparrow, but it is smaller than a sparrow. Tailor spelling T-A-I-L-O-R, tailor. Repeat, T-A-I-L-O-R, tailor. B-I-R-D, bird. Children, now see third blank. Some animals do not make any efforts to build shelter for themselves. Blank is efforts. Some animals do not make any efforts. Spelling of efforts will be E-F-F-O-R-T-S, efforts. See now, children, here animals are given. Tigers, leopards, and hyenas live in the caves in mountains. What is the blank here? Hyenas. H-Y-E-N-A-S, hyenas. Okay. Now, shelter made for a horse is called dash. It's given here a stable. Stable spelling is S-T-A-B-L-E, stable. S-T-A-B-L-E, stable. Okay, children. Now, children, tell me, we'll revise the question answers. We want to do revision. So we'll revise this. Repeat. What does a tailor bird use to stitch its nest? Yes, tell me. What does the tailor bird use its nest? Use it to stitch its nest? Tailor bird selects a plant with bigger leaves. Yes. And builds nest by stitching leaves together. Tailor bird selects a plant with bigger leaves and builds nest by stitching leaves together. Okay, children. What makes it difficult for animals that eat eggs to reach a weaver bird's nest? Yes, because weaver bird builds their nest on thorny trees and builds its nest on the highest of these branches. Okay, because weaver bird builds their nest on thorny tree and builds its nest on the highest of these branches. How do birds make their nest soft and warm? Yes, children. How do birds make their nest soft and warm? Yes, they make their nest soft and warm. They use wool, I told you, pieces of thread and string. Cotton also they used. Why rat and mice not enter houses built with cement? Yes. Why they don't enter houses built with cement? Because they cannot dig holes. Yes, if they find it difficult to make holes, dig holes into cement construction. Now, children, we saw bats. Yes. Where do bats find shelter beside dark caverns? Yes, they find shelter in tall trees and old deserted and tumble down buildings. They find shelter in tall trees and old deserted and tumble down buildings. Now, children, we'll match the following. I'll directly answer. I'll give you answer with column A and answer. Nest on thorny tree is built by which bird? Yes, on a thorny tree we saw, children. Weaver bird. Who builds a nest on a thorny tree? Which bird, children? Weaver bird. Who lives in a gaps between walls? Doves and pigeons. Who live in gaps between walls? Doves and pigeons. Who lives in a cowshed? Cows. Who live in cowshed? Cows. Nest built by stitching leaves together. Who builds nest by stitching the leaves together? Tailor bird. Which bird, children? Tailor bird. Now, children, we can see home of the animals. We will match. Lion lives in a den. Yes, lion lives in a den. Bear lives in a cave. Cow lives in a shed. Cow shed, we said. Pig lives in a pigsty. Yes. Mouse live in holes, right? Rabbit lives in burrows. Where rabbit lives? In burrows. Hen lives, where do children hens live? Hen lives in a coop. COOP, coop. Horse lives in a stable. Where a horse lives? Stable. Dog lives in a kennel. Kennel spelling, you know, children. KENNEL, kennel. Bee lives in a hive. Honeybee lives in a honeycomb. Spider lives in a web. Where does spider live? In a web. Rabbit lives in a burrow. Yes, children. Yes, it's clear for you. Yes, need of a house. Why do we need a house? We need a house. Yes, we need a shelter. The house gives us shelter, and it also protects us from cold weather, gusty winds, scorching sun, heavy rain, thieves, and wild animals. Now we'll see animals that build shelter for themselves. Animals also need shelter to stay, right? They also need a place to live. Some animals build shelter for themselves. They make shelter for themselves, while some find shelter in the safe places in their surrounding environment. Birds build nests in which the eggs and young ones are safe. We saw that they lay the eggs to keep the young ones safe because they are very weak. Honeybee builds honeycombs. We saw the honeycombs, children. Yes, at different places. Rat and mice dig the holes and make holes and burrows in the ground. Now, animals that find ready shelters, they find ready place to live. Doves and pigeons take shelter in the hollow or some cliffs. We saw tigers, leopards, and hyenas live in the caves in forest. Where do they live? Tigers, leopards, and hyenas live in caves in forest. Some bats live in tall trees, while some live in the dark caverns in mountains. Now, children, shelter for domestic animals. The people who keep domestic animals build a shelter for them, like cowshed for cows. Yes, stable for horse, coop or hen house for hens. Yes, children. Now, children, we have already seen the blanks, right? Now, what does the answer in one word? What does the tailor bird use to stitch the nest? Yes, what the tailor bird uses? Tendrils. TENTRILS, tendrils. What the tailor bird uses? Tendrils, I told you. Name an animal that makes shelter inside of houses. Yes, who make shelter inside of houses? Rat, mice, and pigeons. Okay. What do you call the place where one is protected from one danger? Yes, the safe place for you to stay is what? Shelter. Okay. What kind of environment do birds choose to build their nest? What kind of environment they choose? Yes, children. Yes, birds choose safe and convenient place to build their nest. They choose safe and convenient place to build their nest. Some choose branches hanging over the water, and while others choose trees with big leaves. Okay. Birds choose safe and convenient place to build nests. Some choose branches hanging over the water. We saw, children. Yes. While others choose trees with big leaves. Okay. Children, it's clear with you this topic. Tomorrow is assignment. We are revising this lesson. And now I am going to ask you some questions. Any doubts? Clear your doubts. So you all are ready for your assignment? Yes? Yes. Alia, very good. Ready. Okay, I'll ask you some questions. Tomorrow we'll revise lesson number 4. Okay, and in evening, everybody should appear for the assignment. You have to do your assignment, right? 5 to 6. Once only you should submit your assignment. Now, children, tell me, what things do birds use to build its nest? What things do birds use to build its nest? Yes, children, can you tell me what things birds use? Yes, very good. Yes, 2, 3 things, at least 2 things you should say. Straw, twigs, grass, very good. Nyati, very good, children. Where does a horse live? Where does a horse live? Stable. Very good, Brunal. Aryan, very good. Vedant, very good. Tushar, yes. Purvi, not alike, beta. It is stable. Which bird is smaller than a sparrow? Which bird is smaller than a sparrow? Which bird is smaller than a sparrow? Very good, Rajendra, very good. Manasvi, Alia, very good. Brunal, very good. Vedant, very good. Arya, very good. Dipanshu, Sonali, very good. Umi, Lakshya, very good. Tigers live in? Tigers live in? Very good, Alia, very good. Yes, Brunal, very good. Dipanshu, very good. Dog lives in a? Dog lives in a? Alia, very good. Rajendra, very good. Hen lives in a? Hen lives in a? Hen lives in a? Niyati, very good. Brunal, very good. Alia, Tarun, very good. Dipanshu, good. Vedant, very good. From what does a house protect us from? Very good. Only cold? Alia, only cold. Yes. Animals, very good. Irene, very good. Okay, children. Now read your lesson. Okay. Read lesson number 3 and 4. Okay. Bye, children. Be ready for your assignment tomorrow. Yes, fourth lesson we'll revise tomorrow. Okay. Bye, children.